Great rising. Girl. Get up. Great rising. Great rising. Come on, brush your teeth.
You got it, girl, you got it. I don't even wanna go around. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for niggas so cheap. And flex OD and sex OD. You got it.
Tina and Les and Kids and Carter. Oh, they're so cute! We are back with another video. Y'all, today is the day we're on our way to our first competition. How y'all feeling? Y'all feeling good? Look at the smiles. I love it. I love it. They look good. Kids, why are you looking at your thumb like that? They look good. They look good, y'all. We are ready. I'm so super excited. I'm proud of them. You know, I'm excited. I'm excited to see my babies do their thing. Girls. Yes, do their thing. And yeah, that's what we on our way to, y'all. I'm gonna try and get it. We already running late. Y'all, the thing is, we woke up early and on time and enough time, and then they gave us more time, like 30 more minutes before we had to get there, and somehow we still ended up running about 3 minutes late. But it's okay. We gonna get there. It's still gonna be an amazing day. They still gonna, you know, because there ain't nobody went in. The building don't open to 9 anyway. They can't go into 9. They just want them to show up early. So we early. We showed up early, okay? And when they go in, we gonna be going in. But anyways, we are on our way to the wherever this is, the stadium. Yeah, so they can do check-in, and their call time was 8:50. Like I said, we're gonna get there at 8:53. And yeah, I'm gonna try to get as much as I can, because I don't really know how it's gonna work or how you know, all I know is I'm finna be going here and try to fight for the best seats. So yeah, I don't know if I record going in and all this stuff. I'm gonna get snips and pieces. So I apologize already if the video is all over the. Somebody is excited.
I am.
I apologize already if the
When
video.
you're the driver, your nerves be bad because we already late. So we trying to rush.
It's okay. We
while
gonna
being
get there.
safe.
Y'all, I know.
And they got the nerve to be cold.
It's not that cold. I was looking at you like, is she serious? She made me change my whole shirt, y'all.
It
And
is
she said-
cold. You would have froze, like you
I'm
said.
not
That's because you
cold, though.
moving now. When I came downstairs to get the thing, it was cold.
I had to change. I had to go with Plan B because she told me it was too cold for Plan 1. But anyway, y'all, it is a little chilly out here, but not like cold like that. But we on our way. What I was saying? Oh, I was saying I apologize now if the video be all over the place because I'm trying to get snippets here and there, or whatever, as much as I can, because it's a busy day. It's already busy. So, all right, come on, guys, come on, let's enjoy the day. Happy Saturday, y'all.
Yep. Look at all them pink jackets over there.
Where?
Over there.
Y'all change. Beautiful ladies. Beautiful ladies. Ooh, they're so cute. Look at them. Oh,
This is. Oh, look at that.
let me get this in there. Let me get y'all so I can put my little video together. Good luck. Yes. Okay, Skylar. Skylar getting in already. Oh, babe, we gotta get us a good seat. Which side you want to go? This right here? Or right here? No, in the middle. Wait, where's the place today. Category. Okay.
They
Say okay.
did not come to play.
They did not
They
come to play.
slayed.
Show. Let me see your medal. Show us your medal. Okay. Girl, you better cherish that medal. We don't want to see the mirror part.
Bling bling.
Okay.
Bling bling.
That's what first place look like. Let me tell y'all though. That's what
These are
first
winners back here.
place look like.
These are winners.
Y'all, Storm overall did so good. We had freaking what, eight little
Banners.
Banners.
8 awards we won.
8 awards, and like shit, like 4 of them, 5 was first place, and
We
then the
had-
ultimate one, the
4 first place and 2 highest points. Hurricane had one of those.
Hurricane had
First place,
first
highest
place
points,
and highest
bid
point.
winner.
And this
Boom.
is Hurricane. Kids don't
Hurricane.
tell. Okay,
Hurricane.
Hurricane got them 2 of those. Okay,
That's
okay.
right.
And then they got banners for something else. It was 8 on the floor. Y'all seen
yeah.
the video?
Oh,
Y'all seen
the
it.
most
We not really
creative.
good.
The most
The
creative,
most creative, that's
best
right.
tumblers.
That's right. Car, I
Boom.
hear you. I hear you
Boom.
knowing what you talking about. Anyways,
They're
y'all,
my keys.
we are about to
understand?
close.
They're my cheering.
She took the
'Cause we
location.
said so.
We about to close out this vlog, y'all, and go get something to eat. You know, I've been vlogging all day. I kind of just want to chill and celebrate them and enjoy, my food without holding the camera. So I'm gonna holler at y'all
In
on
other
the next
words,
video.
See y'all next time.
Okay, if you enjoyed this video, y'all come on, help me close this out, because the last 2 videos been about y'all. Come on, hurry up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget
To hit the notification bell.
What?
And subscribe.
That's right.
And we'll see you next time.
Until next time,
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for niggas so cheap and flex OD and sex OD. You got